So, right now Mother Bird is creeped out. Because I could have sworn I heard something. And I don't know what it is. I'm just creeped out. Because I'm at my uncle's house and we have 4 bedrooms. So I am in the pink room. Well, kind of purplish. I have a feeling that my teacher's old bird, the cockatiel, is calling my name. That's my worst case scenario. But I do have the pictures of the cockatiel. But like I said, I'm going to have to show you when I get home tomorrow. And then, yeah, I'll show you then. I'm just so creeped out.